If you're wondering how to monitor your security posture with Tenable.io, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the powerful features of Tenable.io and show you how it can help you stay ahead of security threats. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use the software to monitor and improve your security posture. Stick around for a special bonus too, more on that at the end. So let's dive straight into how Tenable.io can help monitor your security posture. The first thing you need to know is that Tenable.io is a cloud-based vulnerability management platform designed to give you deep visibility into your network. By continuously scanning your network for vulnerabilities and exposures, it ensures that you're always aware of any potential risks, helping you prevent breaches before they happen. Next thing, with Tenable.io, you can easily identify vulnerabilities across your network. The platform uses powerful scanning technology to detect threats in real time, so you can prioritize fixes based on the severity of vulnerabilities. This makes your security management process a lot more efficient and proactive. Instead of reacting to security incidents after they occur, Tenable.io lets you stay a step ahead by offering detailed, actionable insights into your system's vulnerabilities. The third thing you'll love is how Tenable.io helps you track your security posture over time. The platform provides real-time dashboards that allow you to see an overview of your organization's security health. You can drill down into specific areas, get detailed reports, and track your progress as you address vulnerabilities. Whether you're a small business or an enterprise, this gives you full control and visibility over your security management. Moving on to the next thing, Tenable.io's integration capabilities. It works well with other security tools and enterprise applications, helping you streamline your workflow. Whether you're using CIEMs, ticketing systems, or other vulnerability management tools, Tenable.io can integrate seamlessly into your existing security infrastructure. The fifth thing to note is the platform's advanced reporting features. You can generate custom reports based on your organization's needs, making it easy to communicate security posture to stakeholders. This is incredibly useful when you need to demonstrate progress or provide insights into your risk management strategies. Before I wrap up, let's talk about the unique advantage you get here. Tenable.io offers an exclusive and extended free trial for viewers of this video. You can try it out for free with our special bonuses from the link in the description below. This will give you access to all the features you need to monitor your security posture like a pro. So there you have it. Tenable.io is a powerful tool for monitoring and improving your security posture, giving you real-time insights, vulnerability management, and seamless integration with your existing systems. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial using the link below to get started today.